Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making cheesy chicken pizza. On this Valentine's Day, treat your partner with a home-baked cheesy pizza. These are the simple ingredients needed to make the dough. So let's start with taking 3 cups of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and a heapful tablespoon of sugar, 1½ tablespoons of dry active yeast and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If not available, use any white oil. Now mix everything well and then start kneading with lukewarm water. While we are kneading the flour, you go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. Add the water in batches and make sure that the water is not very warm, otherwise it will kill the yeast rather than activating it. A soft dough is ready. Set it aside for 1½ hours and see how beautifully it has raised. Take the air out and divide it into 2 portions. These are the simple ingredients required for the toppings. Take a pizza pan and dust it with corn flour, commonly known as makki ka atta. Take 1/2 of the dough and place it on the pan and start spreading it using your hand. The thickness will be around 1/2 inch. Use a fork and pierce it throughout like this. Take 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce, which is available in the market, and spread it all over, leaving only the outer rim. Spread 3 slices of cheddar cheese and start decorating it with your choice of toppings. Here we are using cubed onions, capsicums, mushrooms, boiled corns and sliced sausages. But this is completely your choice. Now cover it with shredded mozzarella cheese and put it in the lower rack of a preheated oven. Set the temperature for 210 and bake it for 15 minutes in pizza mode. Now you just have to watch the cheese melt and wait for the longest 15 minutes of your life. Yes, it's ready! Homemade Domino style pizza. Enjoy the Valentine's Day in a cheesy way. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.